2, 1, go.
We've got the Ducks straight down off the red ramp going for those goals in the red corner. Their rolling goals are lined up with that middle goal. 1-2, scored by the Ducks on the Red Alliance. Also on the red, we had a swing and a miss by 28-44. Very close, but not quite making it in that high center red goal. But on the blue Alliance, 75-91 did make it and scored in that blue high center goal in the autonomous with 7 seconds remaining. We're trying to knock down those kickstands. Both teams not quite lining up as time expires in the autonomous mode with no kickstands knocked and no cascades yet. But there's plenty of time left for that in the human control period.
All right, drivers, grab your controllers. Okay, now, drivers, get ready in 3, 2, 1, go.
28-44 immediately hitting that red side cascade, getting those field pieces in play. They got a hold of that medium red rolling goal. Their partners, the Ducks, they got the high red rolling goal, and they're gathering ready to score right away with plenty of time left. Only 15 seconds have gone by so far. Lady Bots lost one of their side panels. Hopefully it doesn't get in the way for them a little bit later. They lost both their side panels now. Hopefully those don't get in the way. They may be blocking their access to the ramp and some of those rolling goals. We've got the other cascade triggered now, and the Voltage of Imagination. They've got that blue rolling goal very nearly halfway filled up already, and they're gathering up more. Looks like we've got Valley X Robotics. They have got that medium red goal filled almost, or more than halfway already. The Ducks, looks like they got 4 or 5 in their machine now. They're getting ready to load up that high red rolling goal. Ladybots want to make sure they get those pieces out of the way. They want to make sure they can get to that ramp at the end of the game, because if they get to the ramp at the end of the game, you know how. That's worth more points if they can end on top of the ramp. The Ducks filling up the red rolling goal. Looks like they got 5 or 6 in there already. Valley X Robotics, they're doing a bit of collecting, and they're ready to drop and fill up that medium red goal. Forces of Imagination, they've got more than halfway filled on their blue rolling goal already, their high goal. And we got 40 seconds left to play. Teams starting to think about that end game. Forces of Imagination getting ready to fill up the goal the rest of the way. They got 1-2 dropped in there. And look, there's the third and fourth. They're nearly full on that blue high goal. And 25 seconds remaining. 25 seconds remaining. Valley X Robotics lining up on that red high goal. And they got 3 in there filling up almost all the way to that red center goal in the last 30 seconds now. That's worth some extra points since it was done in the autonomous period. Red Alliance, the Ducks trying to help them out, fill up that last bit, and they do it. That's teamwork. Both teams contributing to that center goal with 5 seconds remaining, moving into those parking zones. 2, 1, 0. If you can back up into the parking zone, Voltage of Imagination doesn't have enough time, but they do score an additional ball in that top center goal right as time expires in match number 49.